Hello, good morning everyone. I am Nikesh from first year Concerned Communication branch. I am here to discuss a topic about water system using AI. Here, all the components needed for building the circuit is microcontroller or a single board circuit, SBC, soil moisture sensor, weather data source, water pump or valve, relay motor devices, internet connectivity, power supply, and AI software. These things are needed for the building a circuit of the model. The ESP8266 is the brain of the system, and we need the moist sensors. Moisture sensor detect the water content in the soil, and it will drop the water using the AI. Direct internet connectivity must should be there to the using for the connectivity of AI. These are the steps to build the system. Collect data. Start by gathering data on your plants, water requirements. This can include information like plant types, ideal soil moisture levels, and historical weather of the area. And hardware setups. Connect the soil moisture sensor to the weather sensors and soil pump and other components to the microcontroller or SPC. Make sure to the power them appropriately. Then we require software development. Write the software in the microcontroller and run it. Load the software and read the data from the sensor, assess weather information and decisions, planning how much water should be flow to the plants. We can use machine learning libraries from AI frameworks like TensorFlow or Prototype if you want to implement more advanced AI technology. When the thing is data processing, because of the data sensors and weather forecast, we might need calibrate your moisture to match the specific needs of the plant. Then decision making. Implement algorithms and make decision about the watering basis data collected. For example, you may decide to water up the soil if moisture falls to a certain threshold and if weather forecast does not predict rain. Then automation. Set up the system and then automatically periodically checking the conditions and watering plans as needed. Then remote control. It is an optional. We can control using remote. And while we are using AI, we don't need it. Then testing and optimization. Test your system with the real plant and fine tune algorithms, AI algorithms, based on how well performance. Monitor the plant health, ensure the watering appropriate. Then regularly maintain the system for appropriate cleaning and check the AI and update it. These are the things. Thank you.